everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you my dressing table and how I organize it. So let's get into the video. So this is what my dressing table looks like. I like my things organized and sorted according to what I need. So my dressing has 5 shelves and I've got these hooks installed and I've got some rods installed too, but they can be moved. So I've took them out for now just to show you guys. Top shelf I keep all my hair products, and in this basket I'm going to show you. So yeah, I've got all my masks here, my scrubs, my extra products that I'm not using right now. So I keep this basket on the top shelf. I like to use this for my necklaces. I like to hang my neck pieces in front of me so that I can just grab and go. These are all the brushes that are extras or new that I'm not using. These are all my face brushes. Those are my eye makeup brushes. A lot of space I can keep other things too, but I like to keep my brushes separate. So here I keep all my compact and my bronzers. These are all my nail colors. In this I have all my mascaras, my eye pencils, my brow products, and my lash curler too. Pretty important. Okay, so in the last shelf I've kept my stuff that is extra, like sheet mask, some wipes, some cotton pads, and in this one I have all my eyelashes, my lash glue, my tweezers. Okay, so what you can do is you can easily take any kinds of containers, round containers or jars or even mugs that you have in your home. You can arrange the brushes accordingly. So use of baskets and containers, jars, mugs, whatever you have at your home, it's not necessary to buy new things. So this kind of organization helps me out in organizing my makeup, half of the makeup at least. So this was a brush holder, but my brushes did not fit in it, so I couldn't close it. So I just took these two and put separate brushes in these. This was a gift basket, so I took out the wrapping paper and I used the basket instead. Sometimes I like to rearrange it, so I put my eye makeup here with the brushes because I have a lot of space here. So this box had socks in it. So I took out the socks and this was left. I cut out one part and I could keep my lip pencils in here. So I kind of rearranged too. I put the nail colors down there. So I have kind of a lot of space to juggle around with.